Every time Mercedes-Benz launched a new model in recent years, it marked the event with an Edition 1 model. Well, we're glad to say the latest A-Class sedan, V177, makes no exception. Available from market launch, the 2019 A-Class Sedan Edition 1 brings plenty of goodies for the €7,021 or $8,115 price Mercedes charges for it in Germany. On sale from September 3, Edition 1 models bring not only exclusive copper accents but also a more generous equipment. Starting with the styling, buyers get the AMG line kit as standard, combined with many elements in chrome or copper. Exclusive exterior features include the diamond grille with copper pins, copper-plated 19-inch alloys, and Edition badges on the front fenders. The model also comes equipped as standard with LED headlights. Moving on to the interior, the A-Class Sedan Edition 1 brings sports seats upholstered in Artico man-made leather, Dinamica microfiber, with contrasting copper trim. Similar contrasting seams can be found on the upper instrument panel, central armrest, and door panels, which are lined with Artico artificial leather. Also included in the pack are a flat-bottomed multi-function sports steering wheel in Napa leather, bright aluminum trim with Edition lettering, and a 64-color ambient lighting system. Rounding off the package are the velour floor mats with copper piping and Edition lettering. The A-Class Sedan Edition 1 will be built for a period of 12 months. The first units will reach customers in early 2019.